Alright, what's up YouTube? Let's do a quick update on this car. The TMZ portion of the front end is all done. All the little bottom tabs for the bumper are all TIG welded together. Now it's time to pull this thing off of here. And we're going to get to welding in all these holes today. On both sides. I'm not going to do the inside here. These big ones, I don't think they matter too much. You'll never see them once the motor's in there, but these ones here, definitely I'm going to fill these. So, I guess stick around. Let's get some work done. Okay, here we go. We burned some of that stuff in. Holes are filled. They're ugly as hell, but we're going to grind them down right now. These are all done. Doesn't look like I missed any. Nope. Alright, let's get to grinding. Well, I think that's about as far as I'm going to go with it today. You can see that that's all welded in and grounded. A couple of little low spots. But that's going to be tomorrow's fun, which is primer and Bondo, etc. to make that look right. Like I said, we're not going to mess with this. We're just going to pressure wash, sand, and paint the firewall. We just got to take all the junk off of it. We're not yarning that stuff anyway. Most of it, at least. We're not worried about the K-member because we're throwing that in the trash as well. Most of all these suspension pieces all go in the garbage. Boy, it sure is easy to work on the car with this Teamz front end on here. That sure made that easy. No climbing in and out. Alright, it's getting there.